Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I wanted to make sure that I start putting out makeup tutorials to give you guys some inspiration and ideas if you would have something to do for V-Day. Even if you guys are anti-Valentine's Day, you definitely can use this very soft, girly, feminine look for any special occasion. And yes, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture this past weekend. I chopped my hair. I am starting school again this week. I graduate in May. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for today's video because once again, I am partnering up with B2LINK. B2LINK is this wonderful company based in Korea. B2LINK has given me an opportunity to try so many Korean skincare products and makeup products. Now, one of the brands that I've already introduced to you guys in a previous tutorial is Touch in Seoul. Touch in Seoul is this beautiful company. It's so amazing. You guys have probably seen their products in Sephora. One of their popular products is the Metalist Liquid Foils and Glitter Shadow Duos. I've used this in a previous makeup tutorial and it is so pretty. I definitely recommend this. I am partnering up with B2LINK and Touch in Seoul for today's video, introducing you to a very awesome cream for your face. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. You can also use it as a primer to lock in that makeup. And then this mascara is quite amazing. Let's get started on the makeup tutorial. So the first product that we're gonna use is by Touch in Seoul. This is the all-in-one Beauty Aid Cream. Now the reason that I love this is because it's all-in-one. You can use it alone as a moisturizer in the morning or at night, or it's great right before foundation because it also acts as a primer. Ultra hydrating, really moisturizing, really gives you that relief that you want. So if you're someone with a dry skin, this is gonna be your new best friend. I definitely recommend it to you guys. It feels amazing on the skin and under makeup as well. I already feel like my skin feels so much better, especially because I'm so dry right now around this area. I feel like it has this triple barrier effect where it really locks in the product, so you're not losing product throughout the day. It also doesn't feel oily, it's not too thick, not too thin, and it gives you this really nice fresh spa-like after effect. I am so excited because I went to a local Sephora and they happen to have the new NARS foundation, so I'm very excited. I color match myself at Sephora, so if it doesn't match, it's my fault. I used it probably twice already, but the one time was really good and the second time I had dry skin, so I wasn't prepared. So this is my third time. Hopefully it's good so I can recommend it to you guys. I'm in the color Santa Fe M2. So it has a pump, which is good. I'm gonna put some on my finger and then I'm just gonna dab it onto my skin. Now this is pretty full coverage, but is also very hydrating and it just feels kind of like very velvety. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend this in. So I'm gonna show you guys on one side how much coverage it gives you, and it is so beautiful. Very full coverage, but you're not looking super cakey and gross. It's full coverage with the Facetune Flawless effect, which I like. I think that before you do makeup, skin prep is so important. Washing your face, hydrating, using the right creams, moisturizer, really prepping your whole face for the foundation to lay nicely, because in my opinion, when I don't wash my face and don't take good care of my skin, my foundation looks like a booty hole. Staying in the NARS family for concealer to brighten but also conceal the under eye, I'm gonna go in with Light 2 Vanilla and Light 2.5 Creme Brulee. For powder, I'm gonna mix the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Powders in number 20 and 25. And I'm gonna use this to very gently set my liquids. So a little bit in the concealer areas and then a little bit all over my face. We're not gonna go too hard on the powders today because we want to keep that radiant dewiness. You're basically just lightly tapping it. You're not packing it on, because you guys know I can get really carried away with this powder and pack it on, you know. But we're not gonna do that today. Looking flawless already. Look at this little beauty blender holder that I got on Amazon. I'm pretty sure they use it to put an egg in, but nope. My intelligente mind told me to buy it so I can put my beauty blender in. I like to go in with a smaller, more precise brush and set my under eye like this. When I set, I'm just only dabbing. I never really swipe. I dab to lock in that liquid and powder. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows right now, so BRB. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick bronze. No contouring today. I wanna keep it super soft. This is the Tarte Cosmetics something Princess. Park Avenue Princess. Excuse me, yeah, Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. To give a little bit of color to the cheeks, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Tease Cake Super Shock Cheek Paralyzed. Dab it onto my cheeks. Oh, that's nice. That is pretty. Now it's not giving too much color, but it's giving me a little, like, this really nice kind of like sheen. I can also bring this up here as a highlight. We're gonna dig into this beautiful Becca Cosmetics palette. Oh my goodness. I believe this came out during Christmas time. I'm gonna use Opal. Voila. This is the Juvia's Place J123 Tapered Blush Brush, but I use it for highlight. It's really ultra extremely, like, immensely, extremely, really, more, most. very soft. And I just like the little tip at the end of the brush. It's really good for highlighting. For the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration in Dream Street. The palette looks like this. It's very beautiful. I'm going to set my whole lid with the second color right here in the palette. I'm gonna go in to the very next color right here at the edge. And then I'm gonna go into this color right here. Such a pretty, very mature pinky color. I'm going to take this shade right here and highlight under my brows and my inner corners. And then I'm going to take this Twitter Painted Super Shock Shadow by ColourPop, and with my ring finger, I'm going to take a little bit of that product and I'm going to dab that in the middle of the lid. Today I used the Touch in Sol Stretch X mascara right here. This has a really super light and elastic formula. It's also really nice to build without all the clumping. I also find it super lightweight as well. It doesn't feel too heavy on the eyes. I actually saw this in Sephora's favorite products, and Allure magazine named this the beauty product of 2017. I also like this baby because it's buildable. So you know when you build to get that volume, it's not clumping together, it doesn't look like a big mess. So it's very buildable, it doesn't smudge on me, but it's also easy to take off. I like when things are giving me what I want, but at the end of the day, when I'm removing it, it's not a hassle. And this product does just that. I'm gonna take that pink shade right here that we pop on our lid with a little bit of the color next to it, and I'm going to work that a little bit on my lower lash line. I'm also gonna tight line my upper lashes. And when you tight line your upper lashes, it gives your lashes a thicker looking effect. So I lined my lower lashes, but I stopped like a quarter way. I'm just gonna take a brush with a little bit of this brown right here, and I'm gonna smudge that out. Now, if you don't like wearing false lashes, you can go ahead and stop with the eyes here, but I do wanna give this look a little bit of a wow effect. While I'm waiting for my lashes to get a little bit tacky, I'm gonna do my lips. I'll be using Fenty Beauty Uncensored. It's a really pretty red liquid lipstick. However, this does smudge, so if you plan on kissing or doing a lot of eating, this product is gonna smudge a little bit, so just be aware. Okay friends, that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you love this video as much as I do. If you do get a chance to recreate this at home, make sure you tweet me or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how your look turned out. I'll definitely list all the products down below, including all the Touch in Sol products that we got to try today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below because I love hearing from you guys. I will see you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye, lovelies.